Have you heard of the miracle tree? Moringa Oleifera is extraordinary. Known for its nutrition and health benefits, it's time to learn why you should grow it. Let's dive into why this tree is a must-have in your garden. First, what is moringa? Moringa Oleifera is a fast-growing tree. Often called the drumstick tree, it thrives in many climates. The leaves, pods, and seeds are all packed with nutrients. Now, let's cover its amazing benefits. Moringa is rich in vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins support a healthy immune system. It also has powerful antioxidants. They protect your cells from damage. Next, the protein content in moringa is incredible. Just 1 cup of leaves provides 2 grams of protein. This makes it an excellent choice for plant-based diets. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Growing moringa is easy. This tree can grow in poor soil. It only needs moderate watering. Plant it in sunny areas and watch it flourish. Within a few months, you'll see the benefits. Let's consider the leaf harvest. Moringa leaves can be picked throughout the year. You can use them fresh in salads or dry them for powder. This powder can enrich smoothies or soups with nutrients. Now for a relatable example. Imagine getting all your daily vitamins from your garden. With moringa, you can enjoy fresh leaves daily. You'll also save money on supplements. To summarize, Moringa Oleifera is packed with nutrients. It's easy to grow and has many health benefits. You can use it in various dishes and easily incorporate it into your diet. It's time to take action. Start your moringa garden today. Enjoy the health benefits and enhance your meals. Let's grow together for a healthier future.